निकाल लीजिए बोले, इससे हो जाएगा ना? हाँ हाँ ऑडियो ऑन कर दो। नमस्ते. Am I audible? Thank you. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. सदाशिवसमारंभां शंकराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. वसुदेव सुतं देवं कंस चाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. ॐ नमः शान्ताय दिव्याय सत्यधर्मस्वरूपिणे स्वानन्दामृततृप्ताय श्रीधराय नमो नमः. Let me first thank the organizers of BNI, especially my good friend Sunil, for giving me an opportunity to present a Vedic vision in front of the august audience. मैं अपने साथ एक presentation लाया है. I don't know whether it will be needed or not. First of all, if you can see, Shri Matre Nama. Shri Matre Nama. Mother Goddess, presiding deity of Kollur, Mukambika. जब BNI के द्वारा एक इन्विटेशन और अपॉर्चुनिटी हमें मिला तो मेरे कुछ शिष्यों ने मुझसे कहा कि आचार्य जी आप वहाँ जाकर बिजनेस के बारे में बोलिएगा. मैंने उनको कहा जीवन भर एक मूंगफली तक नहीं बेचा हूँ मैं क्या बताऊँ उनको. बिजनेस करने वालों को मैं बिजनेस के बारे में क्या बताऊँ. तो मैंने सोचा ठीक है क्या बताऊँ, क्या बताना है. जो कार्य BNI के और सदस्य वगैरह बहुत अच्छी तरह निभाया जाता है उनके एक वैदिक पर्सपेक्टिव शायद प्रसन्न करें तो अच्छा रहेगा, ऐसा सोचकर एक छोटा प्रेजेंटेशन लाया है. So basically I'm going to talk about the Vedas. Vedas are not something any religious thing or not. It's not like that. Vedas are both religious and irreligious. If there is any secular text originated from the land of India, it will be Vedas, no doubt, no doubt. आज अमावस्या का दिन है. शायद आप में कुछ जानते होंगे, आज अमावस्या है. कई लोग मेरे जहाँ से मैं आ रहा हूँ, मैं केरल का हूँ, इसलिए मेरा हिंदी भी अंग्रेजी की तरह उतना अच्छा नहीं हो रहेगा. From where I am coming, the land of Adi Shankara, Amavasya is not considered as very auspicious. But in the Vedas, in the Vedic tradition, Amavasya is considered as very auspicious. Because it's all about the Vasu. Amavasi. Vasu means, Amavasya is the day जो दिन वसु हमें हमारे तरफ आते हैं उसी दिन को अमावस्या कहते हैं. वसु मीन्स प्रॉफिट, वसु मीन्स धन, वसुधननाम इति धातु है. वसु मीन्स धन, वसु मीन्स प्रॉफिट. जो जितने सारी धन जब हमारे तरफ आते हैं उसी दिन को अमावस्या कहते हैं. अमावस्या. ये वसु शब्द बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. हमारे संस्कृति में, हमारे संस्कार में, हमारी पारंपरिक में वसु शब्द बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. जैसे कि आपने हमारे ऋषि मुनियों का नाम सुना होगा. वशिष्ठ है, विश्वामित्र है. ये सब धार्मिक पुरुषों का नाम यहाँ इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आकर लाने की आवश्यकता क्या है, ऐसा भी आप सोच सकते हैं. पर ये दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज द वर्ड वसु मीन्स, as I said, it is profit. And the very meaning of the term Vasishtha is वसु जिसमें टिकते हैं, धन जिसमें हमेशा टिकते हैं उसी को वशिष्ठ कहते हैं. जो सबसे बड़ा धनवान है उसी को वशिष्ठ कहते हैं. वशिष्ठ कोई भिखारी नहीं है. आजकल के सन्यासी लोगों की तरह भीख मांगकर फिरते नहीं है. वो सबसे बड़ा अमीर था. हमारे ऋषि मुनियों वो कोई भिखारी नहीं था, भिक्षुक नहीं थे. ये भिक्षुकों की संस्कार बौद्ध धर्म के आगमन के बाद ही भारत में आया है. उसके पहले हम सब लोग बहुत धनवान थे. तो वेद धन की बात कहते हैं. ये जरा गौर से सुन लीजिए. वैदिक लिटरेचर इज ऑलवेज टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रॉफिट, धन कमाने की बात करते हैं. जब हम अपने संध्या वगैरह करते हैं तब कहते हैं, हे ईश्वर दयानिधे भवद कृपया नेन जपोपासनादि कर्मणा धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्षाणाम. हमें धर्म चाहिए और उसके बाद अर्थ चाहिए. बिना अर्थ अर्थ के बिना, अर्थ माने प्रॉफिट और धन के बिना कुछ भी नहीं संभव है. ऐसा मनुस्मृति में एक वाक्य आते हैं, वेदोखिलो धर्म मूलम. सब धर्म का, धर्म इज नथिंग टू डू विथ रिलीजन. प्लीज डोंट मिसअंडरस्टैंड. धर्म हैज नथिंग टू डू विथ रिलीजन, धर्म इज डिफरेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज. सो वेदोखिलो धर्म मूलम ऐसा एक शब्द आता है मनुस्मृति में. सो इन दैट Sage Chanakya has got one more definition. धर्मस्य मूलम अर्थः. अगर धर्म ठीक से टिकना है, धर्म होना है, तो पहले आपको अर्थ का अर्जन करना चाहिए. अभी मैंने बहुत एक हाई वोल्टेज कार्यक्रम यहाँ देखा, तो इसका सब आधार क्या है. अगर हमारे पास ये सब एक त्योहार बनाने के लिए पर्याप्त मात्र धन हमारे पास नहीं है तो कुछ भी संभव नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट एंड मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है वो है धन. उसमें शक ही नहीं. इस भूमिका से हम आगे जाने का प्रयत्न करेंगे. मैं आपको आशा देता हूं मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लेंगे. Basically, there are four Vedas. Rig, Yajur, and Sama, Atharva. You all may be familiar with this. And Rig Veda is considered as knowledge. Yajur Veda is book of action. How to convert the knowledge into action, that is the core area of Yajur Veda. And Sama is Upasana, Sama is Shraddha, Sama is Bhakti. And the last one is Atharva. Atharvana Veda is the Veda of Vigyan, Veda of physical sciences, psychological sciences, and financial sciences. Atharva Veda. And also, Atharva Veda is the base text of the Yoga Shastra. Atharva Veda is the basic text for the concept of Ahimsa. The concept of Ahimsa derived from Atharvana Veda. And Atharvana Veda, from Atharvana Veda derived the idea of Vastu. This morning I find two, three persons who are dealing with the Vastu things and all. All this knowledge comes from Atharvana Veda and the Ayurveda. Today morning I met a wonderful lady who is doing a very good business in Ayurveda. And the very Ayurveda derived from Atharvana Veda. So there are 4 Vedas. And the concept of economics also derived from Atharvana Veda. It's called Artha Veda. And this name will be very familiar to you. Mantra. Mantra. Mantra is something, the definition of mantra is Mananat Trayate iti. Mananat Trayate iti mantra, that is the definition. Basically, mantras are poems. A poem with a high caliber needs to have 3 basic components: rhythmic sound moment, interwoven verbal form and thought substance, and soul's vision of the supreme, and all-encompassing truth. And when all these 3 components are in the sublime form, the poem is known as mantra. And all the verses in all 4 Vedas are mantras. And here I'm going to give you a new idea, may not be new. It's called Devata. Devata. The term Devata is very popular, very famous in India. क्योंकि वो देवता क्या है? राम देवता है, कृष्ण है, भगवती है, दुर्गा है, हनुमान जी है, सब देव है, सब देव है, देव तो प्रसिद्ध है. पर unlike this humanized, personified godliness or gods, Vedas has got different perception. वेद इसके बारे में कोई मनुष्य रूपी देवों के बारे में नहीं कहता. वेद में water is a god, Agni is a god, Vayu is a god. Like that, I can give you one interesting example. Dampatya, couples is a devata in Vedas. Dhanam is a devata in Veda. Dhanam, making profit, is a devata. Business is a devata. Business is a devata. Parenting is a devata. So the very subject matter of any mantra is known as devata. The subject matter of any mantra is known as devata. So, for a scientist or for a scholar, education, vidya or shiksha is the worshipful devata. And for a politician, Rashtra is a devata. And of course, for a businessman, there is no other deity than Shri Lakshmi. Shri Lakshmi. Lakshmi is known as profit. The Vedic term for profit is known as Lakshmi. Lakshmi is not a personified goddess. Not just a personified goddess. It's not like that. Lakshmi is the Sanskrit term for profit. Because in Rigveda there is a very famous mantra is there. Hiranya Varnam Harinim Suvarna Rajasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jada Vedo Mavaha. हमें जो मन को आनंदित करने वाली स्वर्ण से भरे और रजत से भरे धन हमारे तरफ आए, ये वेद का मंत्र कहता है. So Vedas are all about, not all about, basically Vedas, हमको वेदा कह रहे हैं कि to maximize your profit. It's very imperative necessity for a businessman or a business firm. This is the concept of Veda. So Veda is not merely about spirituality and all. Getting profit. So now my firm is not making any profit. So I have to, first of all, I have to reach a point of break-even point. Then after that, I need to make profit. So making profit is known as yogam. मैं वेदों की बात कर रहा हूं, कोई धार्मिक ग्रंथों की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं. वेद में कहता है लाभ बनाना, बनाने क्या नाम है? योग या योगम, योगम. और मैक्सिमाइजिंग द प्रॉफिट इज नॉन एज क्षेमम. योग और क्षेम, ये दो शब्द कोई भी एक बिजनेस फर्म अपने साथ हमेशा रखने चाहिए. योग और क्षेम, ये कोई सिर्फ आत्मा की विषय नहीं है, हमारे बिजनेस का विषय भी है. जो हमारे पास अभी लाभ नहीं है तो बनाओ, लाभ बनाओ, कौन रुकता है आपको? और and after some time maximizing the profit is called kshemam, yoga kshemam. It is clearly mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita. Ananyas chintayanto mam ye jana paryupasade tesham nityabhiyuktanam yoga kshemam vahamyaham. जो कोई दूसरा चिंता को छोड़कर कोई मुझे याद करेगा, यो मेरा सेवन करेंगे या मुझे कोई मेरा उपासना करेंगे, उनका योग और क्षेम मैं देखूंगा. ये भगवान कृष्ण का वाक्य है. तो बहुत लोग ऐसा मानने लगा कि कृष्ण जी का एक मूर्ति बनाकर पूजा करने से योग और क्षेम बन जाएगा. वैसे भी कर भी सकते हैं, इसका अलग परसेप्शन भी है. योग माने मैंने कहा आपको, जो प्रॉफिट है वो बनाना है, वो क्षेम है उनको मैक्सिमाइज करना है. इसके लिए जिस देवता का उपासना करनी है उस देवता का नाम है विष्णु. विष्णु माने सिर्फ एक मूर्ति नहीं है, उसका पीछे एक परसेप्शन है, वो बताना जा रहा हूं. योगक्षेमम इज द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु. आप भगवान विष्णु के चार हाथ देख लीजिए, चार आयुध है, शंख, चक्र, गदा और पद्म. ये जरा गौर से देख लीजिए. ये आपके बिजनेस और ये विष्णु का रूप में बहुत साम्य है. ये एक रहस्य इसमें छिपा हुआ है. शंख, चक्र, गदा और पद्म. देखिए, lotus in the Vedic literature is considered a symbol of economics, budgeting, planning, financial prosperity, and many more so as all aspects of the business like proper planning, budgeting, fund allocation, costing, pricing, etc. are directly related to Padma. Hence Padma. And इसलिए लक्ष्मी हमेशा कहाँ बैठती है? पद्मासनस्था, पद्म के ऊपर बैठती है. So Padma is basically about finance and economics. And second thing is the chakra. Chakra. The name of the chakra is Sudarshana. The name of the chakra is Sudarshana. So clarity in the vision. Clarity in the vision. That is Chakrayudha. That represents Chakrayudha. Now you can meditate whether this kind of things are needed for any business house or not. And the third is Gada, for the internal law and order of any organization, also defending the institution from external threats. वो भी चाहिए. That is Gada. अगर गदा हाथ में नहीं है तो गधे बन जाएंगे. So next Shankh, conch, produces sound and it is indicative of reaching out the others, and in business it is nothing but marketing. Shankha, Chakra, Gada and Padma. So basically a business house is nothing but the embodiment of the idea of Vishnu. A business house is nothing but the embodiment of Vishnu. Clear vision, proper budget, internal action, law and order, and about marketing. So, a business house or a businessman who attain the status, who already got the blessings of Lakshmi, what he will be known? He'll be known in he'll be called इंद्र, मैं पुराणों की जो लड़कियों के पीछे भागने वाले इंद्र की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, कोई वेदों में जो इंद्र है उनकी भी उस इंद्र की बात कर रहा हूं. इंद्र इज greater than the greatest in all fields. He is known as Indra. Indra. I shall give you some examples. See, greatest among poets is known as Kavindra. Kavinam Indraha Kavindra. And greatest among elephants, Gajanam Indra, Gajendra. And greatest among the kings, Rajendra. And greatest among the Vaishyas or business group, Vanijendra. Indra is the greatest place, who got the greatest place in any field is known as Indra. So one has to become Indra. It is the order, or it is the ajna of the Vedic seers. Is there any practical method described in the Vedas to attain the status of Indra? Is there any practical method? We can talk about the theories on and on and on. So is there any practical method to realize, to attain the status of Indratva? Of course, it is there. What is the practical method? It is called Gayatri. It is called Gayatri. You know about Gayatri, and there is no need to elaborate about the Gayatri, because this is Indraprastha. This is Indraprastha. This Delhi is Indraprastha, and this place is called Dwarka. So this is also a place very much connected with Lord Krishna. So even Lord Krishna, the greatest among the incarnations of Vishnu, who were a bhakta of Gayatri, Mother Gayatri. He used to do Gayatri Japa daily. It's a different topic. So, see, the Gayatri has 3 padas. Tatsavidur Varenyam, first pada. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, the second pada. Dhiyo yo nah prachodayal, the third pada. And the first one, the first part defines about the Lakshya. The term Lakshmi derived from the root Lakshya. So Lakshmi is the Lakshya. Profit is the Lakshya. And profit is Lakshmi. So here I am concentrating. So I am figuring out which kind of Lakshmi, what is my Lakshya, that is defined in the first pada of Gayatri mantra. And the second pada is Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. So in order to achieve that meditate upon the effulgence of Vishnu. Effulgence of Vishnu. Vishnu is all, ever-pervading, omnipresent, ever-pervading. A businessman should be like this, like a Rashtra Purusha. Just like, think about the Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister of India is very much visible in my land, in Kerala. He is very much visible in Northeast. He is visible in Delhi. A business firm or a business person should be like that. He should be present in every nook and corner of his business. It is called Vishnu. Vishnu is not just a deity or a form, as I said. So in order to achieve that, what is that? That Lakshya or that Lakshmi, meditate upon the effulgence of Vishnu. So that is Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. And the third one, Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. Once I become Vishnu, naturally Lakshmi will come to me. So prachodayat. Prachodayat. Indra is the god of divine mind. Indra is the god of divine mind. So once we attain reach the third pada of Gayatri, naturally one will become the status of Indra. So daily, morning and evening, you are meditating upon the effulgence of Vishnu through the mantra of Gayatri. This is secret. How to meditate is a different topic. It is not here. It is not the correct place to explain that kind of thing. So like in Veda, it is mentioned, Aham Indro na parajigyaha. I am Indra. Nobody can defeat me. Nobody can defeat me because I'm Indra. So, the attaining the Indratva through the meditation of Vishnu with the help of Gayatri is the one of the formulas we can get. We got from the Rig Veda as well as the Yajur Veda and all. So, all the sages, all the business community who were the masters practice this formula. Hence, the Bharat is known as Sone Ki Chidiya, land of prosperity. How the Bharat was once the land of prosperity, only with the worship of Mother Gayatri, meditating upon the effulgence of Vishnu with the help of Gayatri, and attaining the status of Indratva. See, if you can see, this is Mother Gayatri with 10 hands. Got deep, very, very deep meaning. I am not going to that. Not going into that. And for your kind information, we are constructing a Gayatri temple, first ever Gayatri temple in Kerala. Because I am an Atharva Vedin, and also a Vedic university in Kerala. So this is the first Gayatri temple. It's a massive temple, and for each Pathshala for each Vedas, as in the central Kerala. And this is the form of the deity. Maybe you can see the person on the right side is Arun Yogiraj is the one who sculptured the Rama at Ayodhya. He is the one who is constructing the idol of Gayatri in Kerala. So, just I am telling about what I am doing, that's all. So, basically, business is worshipping of Vishnu to gain the Lakshmi and attaining the status of Indratva. And there are a lot of ways and means. So, there is no need for a businessman to go into some temple and worship. I'm not telling that don't go to any temple. Your business house, your business itself is the worship of Lakshmi. It is Lakshmi. It's Devopasana. So, no need to spend your money to any ashram. I'm not telling you because I'm also a beggar. So, there is no need. Even if you can do any charity, that's up to you. But in order to building up your business, don't waste your time visiting any ashrams and mutts and any other places, but invest your time and your sadhana to your business. That is what the point I'm about to convey. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Namaste.
Thank you so much. It was incredibly insightful and true embodiment of, ladies and gentlemen, Acharya. I may request Dr. G.P. Rao to please join us on stage to felicitate him and to honor him on the behalf. And also Mr. Sunil Gyar, Executive Director, is with us to give a special moment of felicitation and appreciation to you for being part of this event and for gracing our event with utmost pride, ladies and gentlemen. Can we please have a huge round of applause, Shri Arun, on stage. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the event. Thank you so much on the behalf of entire team of TAB 2025. On the behalf of entire team of BNI and EW, we are extremely excited and delighted to have you on this grand celebration of 10 years. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, for a few moments, I would request everyone to kindly stand for the national song. Can I request everyone to please stand for the national song? Can you please play the national song? Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sunil K, Dr. G.P. Rao. All together, can we please have everybody, Bharat Mata Ki? Louder, Bharat Mata Ki. Vande, Vande.
We'd now request everybody to kindly settle back. And for the next segment, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to call Mr. Puneet Gupta from the chapter Logic. And we're going to hear his success story and his pavement for success. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Puneet Gupta with a huge round of applause, please. पुनीत जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं प्लीज. We've got so many people from BNI sitting right here with us. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
All right, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Puneet is the founding member for Logic Chapter. He is an 8-year-old member and a Gold Club member amongst us. Very, very credible member of BNI and IW. Over to you, sir.
New morning, BNI.
Check. Could we have the AV, please? Could we please have the AV? Let's have the presentation, please. Ladies and gentlemen, while good things take time, so are we. It's going to be his success story from his own mouth. So let's hear it from him.
New morning, BNI. So BNI is all about generating referrals. And there are countless success stories from members around the world. Today, I'm proud to be here for my own success story and to express my sincere gratitude. Next slide. I'm absolutely thrilled to share that through our BNI connection, I have successfully secured an overseas projects travel contract. Next slide. I'm absolutely thrilled to share that through our BNI connection, I have successfully secured an overseas project travel contract. This project is a high-stake cricket league with players from all around the world. And it happened at Broward County Stadium located at Lauderdale, Florida, USA. League's name is Mayor's New T20 World Cup. So in terms of revenue, this project is double my annual turnover. And in terms of future business, we got many new connections, new doors of business. It wouldn't have been possible without the trust and high quality referral network we built in BNI and EW. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. So, Sir Vivian Richards was our league ambassador, and these are our teams: Florida Hurricanes, New York Cavaliers, California Steelers, and Chicago Raiders. And this is me with Sir Vivian Richards. Okay. Next slide. Chalo. Thank you, BNI, for such an integral part of my life, my success. It truly proves the give us gain philosophy works. I look forward to continuing to pass quality referrals your way. Thank you again. Thank you.
Sir, it has not even taken exactly 5 minutes as what was promised. But let's have a huge round of applause for him. Thank you so much for being so apt on time. All right, with this, we move on to the next segment. We would be requesting presenting sponsor BD Greens to please join us for our presentation. One of our sponsors, BD Greens. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. I'm sure this evening and tomorrow's entire day would not be possible without the sponsors. So let's give them a hand. Let's have a huge round of applause for all the sponsors, please. People right here, can we have an applaud? We'd request Mr. Saurabh and Mayank to please join us for the presentation as we're running low on time. Mr. Mayank, Mr. Saurabh from BD Greens, are you around? Can you hear us? Do we have BT Greens here? All right, since the gentlemen are not here, we'd now like to move on for the next segment. We'd request Mr. Hemu Suvarna, our President and National Director of BNI, to please join us on stage and help us in felicitating the awards. Let's welcome the gentleman back again on stage with a thunderous applause, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, the President is joining. थोड़ी सी energy दिखाइए, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए, please. People at the back, yes. Thank you so much for joining. All right. All right. This is one speculated one. Top 3 in the region, BNI and New Delhi. The third chapter goes to, thank you for close business from BNI Nexus. It goes to Lalpreet Singh Olak. Let's have a huge round of applause. Nexus people, where are you? Can we make some noise? In the meanwhile, let's have background music for the awards. Can we have background music? Thank you. Nexus people, let's make some noise. Moving on to the next. The second in the region goes to BNI Phantom, Vishal Goyal. Let's have a huge round of applause. For the maximum TYFCB, that is maximum. Thank you for close business. It goes to BNI Phantom, Vishal Goyal. I guess there's nobody from his chapter. So are you here? Mr. Vishal Goyal, are you here? All right, perfect. Heartiest congratulations. And ladies and gentlemen, the first in the region for the maximum TYFCB goes to Sanjay Singhal from Marvel. Marvel people, let's give it a cheer. I guess there's nobody here. We'll move on to the next for the maximum referrals. The third goes to Mr. Harpreet Singh Malhotra from Zeel. Zeel chapters, make some noise. Heartiest congratulations to Mr. Harpreet Singh Malhotra from Maximum Referrals. Number second goes to Mr. Tikaram Goyal from Javelin. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Tikaram Goyal from Javelin for the second prize. I guess there's nobody here. Finally, the first prize goes to Maximum Referrals, Rajat Mittal from Dynamo. The Maximum Referrals goes to Rajat Mittal from Dynamo. I guess he's not here. Sir, volume थोड़ी सी कम कर दे music की, thank you. Moving on to the next maximum number of visitors goes to. The third goes to Tushar Gupta from Revenue. Revenue people, let's give a cheer. Maximum visitors, Tushar Gupta from Revenue. I guess he's not around. Moving on to the next. The second prize, the second one goes to Mr. Tikaram Goyal from Javelin. For the maximum number of visitors, let's have a huge round of applause. I guess he's not around, nobody from Javelin. All right, moving on to the first. Maximum number of visitors goes to Mr. Rajat Mittal from Dynamo. There's nobody from Dynamo? Mr. Rajat Mittal from Dynamo. Moving on to the next. Trainings, the maximum number of trainings. Okay, he's here. Sir, run. We're just going to call one more time for everybody else and then we'll move to the next. All right, for the best maximum number of trainings, the third prize goes to BNI Game Changers, Vishal Jain. Is Mr. Vishal Jain here? All right. We'd request everybody to please stay ready, as you already know when are you going to be called out. Impulse, Zeal, Alchemist, Prolific, everybody stay on your toes. Maximum number of trainings. The next one is Mr. Parimal Narang BNI Impulse. Mr. Narang Run. Heartiest congratulations. All right, the second one. Then its second one goes to maximum trainings is Amog Tanwar from Zeal. Mr. Tanwar, if you're here, please join us. We'd really request you to give a big hand for the gentleman with the broken hand, ladies and gentlemen. So wish you a speedy recovery and heartiest congratulations. All right, moving on to the next. The second is Rahul Yadav from Alchemist. Let's have a huge round of applause. Mr. Rahul Yadav from Alchemist. Are you here? Mr. Rahul Yadav, he's not here, all right. The first for the maximum number of trainings goes to none other than Amit Kumar Anand from Prolific. I guess he's not here. Mr. Amit Kumar, Prolific. All right. All right. We'd request Mr. D.S. Mehta, Ms. Geetu Thakkar, Surendra Kumar, Aditya Gautam, Raja Shukla, Manjot Singh Basin, Alok S. Agarwal and Rajat Mittal to please be around. I'm going to call out the names. All right. The core values. This is what makes BNI. Every bit of you really makes BNI. So ladies and gentlemen, givers gain. The biggest giver of our region goes to Mr. D.S. Mehta. All right. Mr. Mehta is not here, I guess. We'll collect it on his behalf. Next is Positive Attitude. Miss Geetu Tucker. Joining us with another positive smile. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The next is another positive attitude goes to Mr. Surinder Kumar. Mr. Surinder Kumar, are you here? Or Aditya, are you here? Nobody's here. All right, we'll move on to the next. Building relationship. Please put your hands together for Mr. Aditya Gautam. Absolutely apt in building relationships everywhere. Heartiest congratulations. All right, for this one, I need your attention, ladies and gentlemen. This man who's holding all the accountability, even on stage today, please give it up for Mr. Rajesh Shukla. Please give it a big hand. Humans, ladies and gentlemen, are lifelong learners, and this one is Mr. Manjot Singh Bhasin for lifelong learning. Give it a big hand for him as well. Going along with tradition, well, keeping us grounded and to the roots. Please put your hands together for Alok S. Agarwal. Heartiest congratulations, Mr. Agarwal. Doing a fantastic job everywhere. All right, and the last of the core value is recognition, and it goes to none other than Mr. Rajat Mittal. Thank you so much, Mr. Suvarna. You've been an absolute help in this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to call one last of our sponsors for this evening. Our presenting sponsors, BT Green. Let's have him on the stage, please. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. The gentlemen are finally here. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Yes, yes. Please join in, join in. Yeah, yeah. Sir, mic लाइए, mic लाइए. बात साथ नहीं करिएगा, please. 4-5 कर लीजिएगा. 4-5 कर लीजिएगा, 5-7 मत करना.
हम इमारतें नहीं, रिश्ते बनाते हैं।
न्यू मॉर्निंग BNI।
न्यू मॉर्निंग BNI।
मेरा नाम मयंक गुप्ता है।
मेरा नाम सौरभ गोयल है।
हम दोनों ही बीडी ग्रीन के फाउंडर हैं और आज टैब के प्रेजेंट की स्पॉन्सर भी हैं। हम आपको अपनी जर्नी हमने कैसे स्टार्ट की रियल एस्टेट के अंदर बताना चाहते हैं।
उसकी हम एक आपको शॉर्ट क्लिप दिखाना चाहेंगे।
कहते हैं कुछ कहानियां जगहों से नहीं इरादों से शुरू होती हैं। हमारी कहानी भी किसी बड़े शहर से नहीं, ग्रेटर नोएडा के एक छोटे से कस्बे दनकौर से शुरू हुई और आज बीडी ग्रीन 22 साल के सफर में सिर्फ एक कंपनी नहीं, भरोसे का नाम बन चुका है। दो नौजवान सौरभ गोयल और मयंक गुप्ता, घर की जिम्मेदारियां जल्दी आ गई थी। फिर जिंदगी ने एक छोटा सा मौका दिया, एक प्लॉट बेचने का। किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था कि एक डील का छोटा सा फायदा उनकी दुनिया बदल देगा। और तब हुई बीडी ग्रीन की शुरुआत। एक कॉर्पोरेट डील जिसकी कीमत लगभग 22 करोड़ रुपए थी। उस समय यह असंभव सा लगता था, लेकिन वही दिन बीडी ग्रीन के नाम को मार्केट में गुजारने वाला दिन बन गया। लोगों ने पहली बार जाना, हाँ, ये लोग कुछ बड़ा कर सकते हैं। समय के साथ बीडी ग्रीन सिर्फ प्रमोटर नहीं, एक डेवलपर के रूप में उभरने लगा। प्रोजेक्ट्स लिए, निवेश किया, जोखिम उठाए, मगर क्वालिटी और कमिटमेंट को सबसे ऊपर रखा। आज भी बीडी ग्रीन के हर प्रोजेक्ट में वही मेहनत, वही ईमानदारी बसती है जो शुरुआत में थी। फिर आया नोटबंदी का दौर, जीएसटी की चुनौतियां और कोविड का अंधेरा। जहां बड़े बड़े नाम लड़खड़ा गए, बीडी ग्रीन ने अपने कमिटमेंट पर एक भी दाग नहीं आने दिया। छोटे से ऑफिस से शुरू हुई यह यात्रा आज 6 बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स, स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम, पक्का सिस्टम और हजारों खुश निवेशकों के साथ खड़ी है। जो लोग कभी कहते थे हम सिर्फ बड़े लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं, आज बीडी ग्रीन का नाम खुद आगे बढ़ाते हैं। आज भी सौरभ गोयल और मयंक गुप्ता हर प्रोजेक्ट की साइट पर खुद खड़े होते हैं। हर कॉलम, हर प्लान, हर क्वालिटी चेक पर खुद की नजर रखते हैं। और ये यात्रा अभी बहुत लंबी है। अभी और भी मंजिलें हैं, और भी सपने हैं, और भी इमारतें हैं जिनके साथ बीडी ग्रीन अपना नाम जोड़ेगा। 22 साल पहले बोया गया एक छोटा सा बीज आज एक वट वृक्ष बन चुका है। ग्रेटर नोएडा से दिल्ली एनसीआर और अब धुलेरा गुजरात तक का यह सफर मेहनत, संघर्ष, भरोसा और वचन निभाने की कहानी है। क्योंकि इमारतें तो बहुत बनती हैं, मगर नाम और भरोसा सिर्फ वही कमाता है जो दिल से काम करता है। हम सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टी नहीं, रिश्ते बनाते हैं, भरोसा बनाते हैं, भविष्य बनाते हैं।
हेलो एवरीवन, जैसा आपने हमारी वीडियो में देखा, हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट 2004 में हुई थी और उस टाइम हम एज ए प्रमोटर अपने आप को वर्क कर रहे थे। हमने प्रमोटर के रूप में दिल्ली एनसीआर के अच्छे डेवलपर के साथ में कोलैबोरेशन किया, उनके प्रोजेक्ट को अंडरराइट किया। प्रमोटर्स का मतलब यही होता है कि अच्छे डेवलपर के साथ में मिलकर उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स को उठाना और अपने क्लाइंट्स को, इन्वेस्टर को सेल करना। लेकिन धीरे धीरे हम टॉप प्रमोटर में आने लगे दिल्ली एनसीआर के। हमारे टॉप प्रमोटर्स में आने का रीज़न एक सबसे बड़ा ये है कि दिल्ली एनसीआर के अंदर जो भी अच्छे डेवलपर्स हैं, उनके यहाँ पर हमने जज करके अपने इन्वेस्टर और क्लाइंट्स को इन्वेस्टमेंट करवाया। 2004 से आज के टाइम तक लगभग हमने 10 मिलियन स्क्वायर फीट रेजिडेंशियल सोल्ड किया है। और जिन क्लाइंटों ने लगभग 5 साल पहले हमारे साथ इन्वेस्टमेंट किया था, उनका लगभग आज की डेट में 3x का रिवेन्यू ग्रोथ हो चुका है। और जो शॉर्ट टर्म में हमारे साथ में जुड़े, उन्होंने लगभग 2.5% की ROI, जो 250% बैठ जाती है, वो रिटर्न मिली उनको। नेक्स्ट हमने रेजिडेंशियल के साथ साथ कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट भी अंडरराइट किए और उसमें भी सेम 5 मिलियन स्क्वायर फीट का हमने सेल आउट किया। और नेक्स्ट ये कुछ प्रमोटर्स के नाम हैं जिनके साथ हम आज भी वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं। और कोलोब्रेशन करके उनका पूरा प्रोजेक्ट अंडरराइट करके अपने क्लाइंट्स को, इन्वेस्टर को अच्छा रिटर्न दिलवा रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है एज ए डेवलपर की। सौरभ जी, आप प्लीज़ एक्सप्लेन कीजिए।
थैंक यू मयंक जी। जो हमने देखा कि हम लोगों का भरोसा जीत रहे हैं, हमने देखा उनकी ज़रूरतें क्या हैं, हमने उन्हें अच्छा रिटर्न दिया, अपॉर्चुनिटी हमने ग्रैब की टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग, और हम बीडी ग्रीन एक डेवलपर मार्केट के अंदर अब इस्टेब्लिश हो रहे हैं। हमारे 2 प्रोजेक्ट अभी बैक टू बैक रनिंग में हैं। माइलस्टोन प्रोजेक्ट जो आपके सामने है, देयर इज द पाई सिटी सेंटर, परी चौक से अराउंड 2.5 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस पे है, बहुत अच्छी लोकेशन है। और ट्रस्ट इसे कहते हैं कि BNI न्यू दिल्ली ने एक फ्लोर हमसे इसमें बाइंग किया था, पूरा सोल्ड हो चुका है। मेरे पास पाई में तो अब कह सकते हैं कि जो आपका साथ मुझे मिला है, भरोसा मुझे मिला है, उसका मैं थैंकफुल कहना चाहूँगा। ये मेरा नया प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है डेल्टा स्क्वायर के नाम से, डेल्टा में लोकेटेड है। ग्रेटर नोएडा अथॉरिटी से हमारे प्रोजेक्ट अप्रूव्ड हैं, रेराज आर देयर। हमें पता है इन्वेस्टर का पैसा क्या होता है, क्योंकि हमें उसकी ज़रूरतें, उसका भरोसा कायम रखना है और अपने मुकाम को आगे बढ़ाना है। इसी क्रम में हमने अब धुलेरा भी शो किया है। मोदी जी का विज़न ग्रीनफील्ड सोसाइटी टाउनशिप वो बना रहे हैं, वहाँ पे हमने वहाँ पे टाउनशिप लेके आ रहे हैं। बैक टू बैक वहाँ पे हमारी टाउनशिप आ रही है, जिसका फेज़ 1 हमने अनंत श्री के नाम से शुरू किया है। मेरी सभी से गुजारिश है, हमारे यहाँ पवेलियन है, पवेलियन 6 में हमारा एक्सपो लगा हुआ है। मेरा सभी BNI मेंबर्स, अदर मेंबर्स, सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है, एक बार हमारा शोकेस ज़रूर देखिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच सुनील सर टू गिव अ दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू BNI।
Thank you so much to both the gentlemen for your esteemed time. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time for the much awaited, the Diplomats Club. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? We need a louder one. This side, I can't hear you. Are we ready for the TDC? As an honor for all the diplomats and the dignitaries, we request you to please vacate the first 2 rows. I repeat, we request each one of you to please vacate the first 2 rows of the sofa as an honor to give honor to our dignitaries and the diplomats. And now we'd request the TDC team to please join us on the stage. Please take over on the stage. And before that, we have 2 very important videos to show. Let's quickly have a look.
नमस्कार BNI, मैं हूं कैलाश खेर और मिलते हैं आपसे यशोभूमि द्वारका में कल टैब 2025 के लिए। एक बहुत यादगार शाम आपके लिए लेकर आ रहे हैं हम। कैलाश खेर एंड कैलासा। See you all.
Are you guys excited for Kailash Kher? Can we have some uproar? Are we ready for it? All right, let's have the next video, please. Ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be in next an hour. So are we excited for Euphoria? No? No? Are we excited for Euphoria? It's going to be in less than 1 hour, ladies and gentlemen. So all seatbelts quickly fastened. And let's get this beautiful evening started. But before, the much awaited, the TDC team takes in, and we'd request Miss Gurleen to please join us from here. And in the meanwhile, while she joins, we'd request all the diplomats, all the dignitaries to please join us in the first two rows. And from here, we're going to take a short break. The diplomats are going to take over. And I'm sure the much awaited segment of this evening is going to be blast. All the team leaders, we'd request all the team TDC to please join us. And before we begin the TDC conclave, there's something that I'd like to mention about our next host. She's going to join us in 9 yards of pure elegance, and she looks stunning this evening. And she's going to take over the stage. So let's welcome her with a huge round of applause. Yes, I meant. As you know, good things take time. We're taking a little longer, and this is something that was much awaited. So, ladies and gentlemen, this lady right here in 9 yards of pure elegance, looking stunning. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome another host for this evening, Miss Gurleen from the TDC team. Let's give her a hand. Let's give her a hand, please.